Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Canva file into a PDF. First, open your finished design within the Canva editor. Look for the prominent Share button, usually found in the top right corner of your workspace. Clicking this button will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to select the Download option to begin the export process. It's a straightforward first step to getting your design ready. Next, you'll choose your preferred PDF format. Canva offers two main types. PDF Standard is excellent for sharing online, as it creates a smaller file size. For professional printing, always select PDF Print to ensure the highest quality resolution and color accuracy. You might also see an option to flatten PDF, which can be helpful for complex designs with many layers, ensuring everything renders correctly. Before finalizing, you can customize a few more settings. You have the flexibility to download all pages of your design or select just a few specific ones. For any design intended for professional printing, it's crucial to check the box for crop marks and bleed. This adds essential guides for printers, ensuring your design looks perfect. Also, consider flattening your PDF if your design includes many intricate graphics or transparency effects. Finally, with all your settings chosen, simply click the Download button. Canva will then process your design and generate the PDF file. This file will automatically save to your computer's default Downloads folder, typically within a few seconds. Once downloaded, it's a good practice to open and thoroughly review your new PDF. This ensures all elements, text, and images appear exactly as you intended before sharing or printing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.